2024 has begun, and if you are considering starting a YouTube channel, there is no better time to begin than now. However, the key factor that will determine your success is the niche you choose. Fortunately, I've done extensive research on numerous YouTube channel ideas. In this video, I'll share with you one of the finest niches that doesn't require you to appear on camera or show your face. The niche I'm referring to is make money online. It's one of the most profitable niches. The reason behind its profitability is its high CPM. This means that compared to other niches, you can earn more money per 1,000 views. The best part is you don't need to show your face while pursuing this niche. Cashflow is an excellent example of channel in this niche, boasting over 133k subscribers. Their approach involves finding a stock footage and recording their screens to demonstrate various methods of earning money online. However, it's important to note that a downside of this niche is that many viewers may not take real action after watching the video. They might even stop watching, claiming that the strategies don't work. Nevertheless, this shouldn't be a major concern, as there will always be individuals who are eager to make money online.